Awesome. What the fuck?
Look at his tires, they're so low.
What's he got dangling
Hey,
behind
hit
his
in the
head?
head with that speaker. It's loose.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna knock his ass out.
There's your magnet.
Gee, that was the easiest he made anything look tonight. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh. Where are you going?
Hey, you can go this way if you want. If you want to come this way, you can.
Holy shit.